What is carbon capture technology, and why is it suddenly everywhere in climate discussions? In simple terms, carbon capture technology is a set of methods designed to trap carbon dioxide, or CO2, before it enters the atmosphere or remove it directly from the air. Since CO2 is one of the main drivers of global warming, capturing it has become a critical strategy in the fight against climate change. Most carbon capture systems work in three main stages. First is capture. This usually happens at large industrial sites like power plants, cement factories, or steel mills. Special chemicals or filters are used to separate CO2 from other gases produced during fuel combustion. Second comes transportation. Once captured, the CO2 is compressed into a dense, fluid-like form and moved through pipelines, ships, or trucks. The final stage is storage or utilization. The carbon can be stored deep underground in geological formations or reused to make products like synthetic fuels, building materials, or even carbonated beverages. There are different types of carbon capture approaches. Post-combustion capture removes CO2 after fossil fuels are burned and is the most common method today. Pre-combustion capture removes carbon before combustion by converting fuel into a mixture of hydrogen and CO2. Another emerging method is direct air capture, which pulls CO2 straight from the atmosphere, even far away from industrial sources. So why don't we just use carbon capture everywhere? The biggest challenge is cost. Capturing, transporting, and storing carbon requires significant energy and infrastructure. Critics also argue that it could delay the transition to renewable energy by allowing continued fossil fuel use. Supporters, however, see it as a necessary tool, especially for industries that are extremely hard to decarbonize, like cement and steel production. Carbon capture technology is not a magic solution, but it is a powerful piece of the climate puzzle. When combined with renewable energy, efficiency improvements, and lifestyle changes, it could help dramatically reduce global emissions. The real question now is not what is carbon capture technology, but how fast and how wisely we choose to use it.